Welcome back to Automotive Car Update. Today we're taking a close look at the 2025 Tesla Model 3 as it goes head-to-head with Euro NCAP's toughest crash tests. And spoiler alert, it doesn't just survive, it dominates. Starting with the frontal offset impact, the Tesla slams into the barrier and the cabin holds up beautifully. The crumple zones absorb the shock and the passenger cell stays solid. Safety engineering at its finest. Next up, the side impact test. A high-speed barrier rams the side, but the structure resists, and the airbags deploy like clockwork. Occupants? Well protected. Now, here's the real challenge, the side pole test. This is where many vehicles struggle, but the Model 3's side curtain airbags pop out fast, offering excellent head protection. Impressive stuff. Rear-end collisions are also tested, focusing on whiplash. Tesla's seat design and headrests minimize neck injuries with precision and comfort. But safety isn't just about those inside the vehicle. The Model 3's pedestrian and cyclist detection systems work incredibly well. Whether it's daytime or night, the car can detect and stop before disaster strikes. And then there's Tesla's advanced driver assistance systems, emergency braking, lane keeping, obstacle avoidance, all responding fast, smooth, and intelligently. Final verdict? The 2025 Tesla Model 3 isn't just a sleek EV, it's a safety powerhouse, engineered to protect everyone on the road. Thanks for tuning in to Automotive Car Update, where performance meets precision. Don't forget to subscribe for more car tech, crash test breakdowns, and the latest in automotive safety.